Hi friends, today's topic is Mendeleev's periodic table. In this topic, we cover the point. First, basic of Mendeleev periodic table. Second, merits of Mendeleev periodic table. And third, demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. So let's start the first topic, basic of Mendeleev periodic table. The Russian scientist Mendeleev developed the periodic table of the element during the period of 1869 to 1872. He arranged 63 elements known at the time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Mendeleev organized the periodic table on the basis of the chemical and physical property of the element. Mendeleev found that elements with similar physical and chemical property repeat after definite interval. The law of Mendeleev periodic table. Property of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Merits of Mendeleev periodic table. Atomic masses of some element were revised so as to give them proper place in the periodic table in accordance with their properties. For example, the previously determined atomic mass of beryllium is 14.09 was changed to the correct value 9.4 and beryllium was placed before boron. Second merit is Mendeleev kept vacant place in the periodic table for element not discovered till then. 3 of these unknown elements were given the name Ika boron, Ika aluminum, Ika silicon. From the known neighbors and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68 and 72. Not only this, but their property were also predicted. Later on, these elements were discovered and named as scandium, gallium and germanium. The third merit is there was no place reserved for the noble gases in Mendeleev's original periodic table. However, when noble gases such as helium, neon, argon were discovered toward the end of 19th century, Mendeleev created the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table in which the noble gas were fitted very well. Now we see the demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. The first demerit is the whole number atomic mass of the element cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was an problem regarding their sequence in Mendeleev periodic table. The second demerit is isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put the fourth periodic table. As isotopes have same chemical property but the different atomic masses, a challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev periodic table. Third demerit is when element was arranged in increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. It was not possible, therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements. The fourth demerit, hydrogen shows similarity with halogen. For example, the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2, while the molecular formula of fluorine and chlorine are F2 and Cl2 respectively. In the same way, there is similarity in the chemical property of hydrogen and alkali metal. There is similarity in the molecular formula of the compound of hydrogen alkali metal formed with chlorine and oxygen. On considering the above properties, it cannot be decided whether the correct position of hydrogen is in group alkali metal or in group halogen.